Hi guys, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today I thought I'd try something different and new to me, and I thought I might vlog to you about American Girl's new Girl of the Year, Blaire Wilson. As you can tell, I'm a huge fan of this Girl of the Year and her collection. I used foam core, hot glue, tacky glue, spray paint, acrylic paint, plastic packaging, and lots of fun finds. My favourite part was probably replicating her food dishes, like the avocado on cranberry toast, her pumpkin and egg, the strawberry lemon cheesecake, and the pasta. I also found things like the Tim Holtz collection of metal embellishments for scrapbooking, and I took them outside and I just spray painted them so that they would look more like Blaire's utensils in her collection. Currently the piece sits on our dining room table, so it is really big. So that's the outside, and this is our attempt at her cart and her celebrations cake set. Then on the inside, you can see I have Blaire Wilson. She's not unboxed yet, and I thought I might do that in a separate video. It's not exactly the same as American Girls, but I did try to choose scrapbooking paper that matched. I loved creating the Farmhouse sink, and my favorite piece was probably her oven. And the fun thing, I took this idea from American Girl's Grand Hotel idea, was to do a faux door outside. So I have on the back wall like a place where the dolls can walk up from the serving counter and, you know, knock on the door and pretend to come inside. Put a little wreath on the door. And I've also made a little light that turns on and off. Underneath is just a tea candle. Hope you can see that. So that it kind of gives an entrance theme that also connects to the whole farmhouse feel. I'm really pleased with the overall effect. As much as I would love to buy her real big ticket item, I just don't think I could afford the postage that would go with it. Oh well, I hope you liked this quick vlog. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Give it a like if you liked it, and subscribe. Bye!